Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel to access the internal components. Be gentle to avoid damage. Then, disconnect any electrical connectors and linkage rods attached to the old handle. This prepares the way for easy removal. Now that the panel is off, locate and unbolt the 2 or 3 retaining screws that hold the handle in place. These are usually found around the handle's perimeter. Once unbolted, gently pry the old door handle assembly from its mounting position. Take your time to ensure all clips and fasteners are detached before completely removing the handle. This prevents breakage. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new door handle assembly into the opening, ensuring it sits flush. Secure the handle with the retaining screws, tightening them firmly but without over-tightening. Finally, reconnect all linkage rods and electrical connectors. Make sure they click securely into place for proper function. Almost done, reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips align correctly and snap into place. Before fully securing everything, test the new door handle's functionality from both inside and outside. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly. For an even cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your new handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.